Hi and welcome to the Entity Reports video on downloading your student loans data from the Student Loans portal. You'll need to have access to the portal as well as the LP Administrator and LP Finance Administrator roles. If you do not have these, your super user can add them for you. We will download 3 files in total today which you will need to build your Advanced Learning Loan report. To begin, we need to go to www.lpservices.slc.co.uk. This takes us through to the Learning Provider Services website, and we need to go to the Learning Provider portal, which will allow us to log into the student loans system. Once we have logged in, we are taken to the welcome screen for the Student Loans portal, and the section we are interested in today is the Applicant Information Service at the top. There are different sections within this, and the first one we need is Learner Information Home. From the Learner Information Home section, we need to go to Learner Search. We are now going to download 2 of the 3 data files we need on this page, and the first thing we need to do is select the academic year we want to report on. We'll use 2015-16 today. Now if we scroll to the bottom, we can export the learner data for this academic year by selecting Export XML Results. This brings up a new section at the bottom of the screen where we can save the file. Since this is the learner's data, we'll call it Learners with today's date. And this will help us to upload it later. Pressing Export will allow us to save the file to our Downloads folder as well. Now that's saved, we need to press Cancel to get the screen back. And we can now download the second file, which is the schedule payments data, by using Export XML Payment Schedule and Attendance. Just like earlier, a new section appears where we can save the file. And just as we called the last one Learners, we'll call this one Scheduled with the date as well. And we'll press Export Results again to save the file. And now that one's saved, we'll press Cancel again as well. Now that we've got 2 of the 3 files we need, the last one we need is actually in the Learner Financials Home section of Applicant Information Services. So we'll go back to the top, back to Applicant Information Service, and go to Financials Home. And the section we want from the Financials Home is the Remittance Report page. This takes us to a summary table of all the remittance received to date. We will need to select all the months relevant to the academic year we are reporting on. Today we are using 2015-16, so we will select everything from August 2015 onwards. To save the data, we will need to press Export XML, which will bring up a new section at the bottom of the page where we can save the file. And we'll call this file Remittance so we know what it is when we want to upload it later, and we'll add today's date on it as well. And pressing Export will save the file for us. So that was the last file we needed to download today to build the Advanced Learning Loans report. We are now able to upload this data on the Entity Reports site to create our report. Please have a look at our dedicated video and guide for more information on using the Entity Reports system to generate the Advanced Learning Loans report. Thank you for taking the time to look at it with us today. Please check out our other videos, and if you have any questions or inquiries, please get in touch and we will be happy to help.